Hi, I'm Vince from DUP-A-KEY Locksmiths service in San Diego, California. If my previous adventures in laser cut keys, facts and fiction, and how to keep your car safe from joyriding hobos caught your eye, you're in for another insightful journey today. Let's dive into the world of car remotes and smart fobs, the small yet powerful tools that make our lives easier with a simple click, until suddenly they don't. As we ride the wave of technological advancement, the convenience of your car's remote fob is undeniable. But what happens when it fails to perform its magic? The reasons can range from the mundane to the more complex. Often, it's just a dead battery. A quick fix at $5 a pop at DUP-A-KEY, and we'll install it for you. But what if the issue runs a little deeper than that? Whether it's a button that's lost its touch, a remote case that wasn't designed properly. Looking at you, Honda and Lexus owners. Look at this one. It's all taped together. What is this? Or a connection that's lost its spark. Each problem has its own path to resolution. We offer indestructible shells for Lexus and Honda. And that's not just a promise. They're guaranteed by my personal experience of zero returns. Chrysler owners, we know these remotes can be finicky. Often needing a little soldering love on the battery connection or a new touchpad. Bring it in. We can sort it out. Water damage, it's a tough opponent. But it's not always invincible. With the right care, some silk remotes have fought back to life. So if your key fob is giving you the silent treatment, don't let it keep you down. Bring it over to us at DUP-A-KEY. Whether it's fixing the fixable or exploring options for a fresh start, we're here to help. After all, it's already not working. Let us take a look and at the very least provide you with a clear path forward. Your journey to a functioning remote starts with a visit to our shop. Let us unlock the solution together.